My brain is burning. We have covered really a lot of topics today. If our viewers remember just 3 things from today's stream, what should they be, Sean? We always start with Sean here. So.
If our users have 3 things that they should take away from today.
Yeah.
Follow Isabelle's channel, follow Marcelle's channel, follow Fortunato and Sean's channel. Done. Next question.
I drop.
Yeah.
So when I would say follow Sean, and yeah, you can find this video on YouTube. You should look on Sean's site as he make great stuff. You should take a look on Isabelle's site. He makes great stuff too, and this YouTube channel. So I hope she posts in the future on M365 Show too, because her videos are really great. And Isabelle, what is our next episode?
So for the next month, on the 7th of August, we'll be diving into Supercharge Your Power Automate Dev Workflow with David Wyatt with amazing add-ons. So I'm excited to see what that is about, and I will be there as well.
Yay. Great. Wonderful, guys. Huge.
Sound.
1 second here. Huge thanks to Sean for joining us today, sharing his or your expertise. Thanks to Marcelle and Isabelle and Marcelle for their insights. And most importantly, thanks to all of you out there, you, for watching and asking great questions. We couldn't answer every question. It's our fault. It's okay. It's us problem, not a you problem. Let us stay friends. And that's it from my side. So thank you very much. Keep building,
Thanks,
keep
everyone.
optimizing. That's the point, right? See you next time.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Flows break down, data moves slow, loops keep spinning, where does it go? You're building apps, but time's a thief. Your platform stuck, you're losing belief. Click by click, you try to mend, but delegation breaks again. SharePoint stalls, dead ever screams, feels like you're coding in broken dreams. No more killers in the code. Power up, it's time to go. Automate or logic flow. Pick your side, let's steal the show. From 0 to hero, now's the time. Optimize the speed, redefine. Watch us break the limits, rise. It's performance time, we electrify. Queries drag, loops overflow. What's the fix? You need to know. Is it SQL, SharePoint, or something clean? We're dropping tips straight from the scene. Monitor, measure it, factor your flow. No more time out, just watch it go. With Isabelle, Marcelle,